Hey guys, so we're here for my baby girl's annual trim. So I typically straighten her hair out and trim it probably once, maybe 2 times a year. Taking this thick section and just straightening the ends. This allows me to get through it without any tangles while I'm trying to part and straighten the rest of her hair. My baby's hair is on the finer side, so I'm going to straighten it on lower heat and only use one pass. Look at her. She loves her hair straightened. So I'm going to let her play with it for a little bit, and then we're going to get started with the trim. So you can see where her ends are a little bit scarce and in need of a trim. We're not going to do a cut, we're just going to do a little trim today. So because we're trimming the bare minimum, we're more than likely going to end up trimming it again before the year is over with. So I would say on average, if you are doing protective styles on your children for 2 weeks at a time, a month, you can give her a trim maybe every year. And if you're doing day-to-day maintenance and daily styling, I would say maybe every 6 months, starting at 4 to 5 years old. So obviously maintaining your trims helps your hair grow healthy, but it also helps with the detangling process. So when your ends are good, it's easier to detangle, you're not struggling, and you're not breaking the ends off more when you're braiding and shampooing and detangling their hair. It also makes the style look much better because your hair is thick from root to end. So this style will last about 2 to 3 weeks, and after that she's going back in her braids. Make sure you guys hit me up in the comments if you have any questions about your hair, your kids' hair, or anything. I'll answer them below. Thanks for watching.